Oi lads, it's Danny here today, bringing you lot a lovely proof today. We're going to prove why sine of 2x is equal to 2 sine of x cos of x. So this here is a double angle trig identity, which we're going to prove. But before we jump into it, I want you lot to subscribe and like this video. So let's get right into it. So the trick with this is you lot are going to have to separate the 2x term, meaning you're going to rewrite 2x as an addition, x plus x. The reason for it is because we're going to try to apply this trig identity. This is the additive trig identity for the sine function. And we can write, we know our a term is equal to x and our b term is equal to x. So we're going to write x over here, x over here, x over here, and x over here. So we write the expression as follows on your screen. Notice that this here is the same as this here. So these are the same variables, the exact same variables. So therefore we can rewrite it as 2 multiplied sine of x multiply cos of x. And notice the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So therefore that implies that sine of 2x is equal to 2 sine of x cos of x. So if you enjoyed this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you lot later.